gravity of the decisions you're making deals with what's the magnitude of the upside and the downside you're dealing with. Is this about a breakthrough, about bankruptcy? Is this, like we currently have, a situation of life and death for your people and your customers? Is this something with very big cross-cutting implications? Simply put, how much of your future depends on this? And here's my pet peeve. Even in the best of situations, leaders should be super disciplined with their scarce leadership capacity. Leaders should have the self-discipline of not sweating every single decision. They can delegate the small ones, they can routinize them, they can randomize them, whatever it takes to allow them to conserve precious decision-making capacity for the important stuff. And on the flip side, when you have to make major decisions, leaders should be as thoughtful as the situation allows them. So this is the situation we currently have. On one hand, we have major decisions. On the other hand, we have major time pressure. So leaders have to be ruthless and focus on what really matters, which is not easy because they have to simultaneously tackle how to respond to the crisis they are facing right now, how to think about transitioning back to normal in the near term, how to weather the economic downturn over the medium term, and how to position themselves in this new world and how to position them for the future, because the future is not what it used to be.